Hey everyone, hope you guys are all having a great day. I wanted to break down some Bitcoin news and technicals, and then of course what's going on with the AI tokens because those things are ripping today. Not to even talk about the meme tokens with Dogecoin and the other ones out there today as well. So let's talk about it. Bitcoin from a technical perspective is ready to blow. In a weird scenario, it looks like everything is ready to blow, which is kind of weird. Some tokens are breaking to new cycle highs, some are not. And so I think that's where you're going to see the Bitcoin dominance break out. If you guys have been watching a lot of videos out there, you guys know Bitcoin dominance is also ready to break out. But I myself right now have a few long positions in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other assets out there. And from what I've learned so far this week, PCE shouldn't be terrible. So again, that's the caveat. Friday is where we could see some unexpected volatility. But besides that, everything else is geared for the market to move up higher here, which I'm very, very excited about. Bitcoin may have a massive move. Some altcoins may also have massive moves, but I think the majority of altcoins may stay dormant for a few more days before they eventually also have those breakouts. So if you guys see Bitcoin breakout and there's a few things not really moving just yet, those might be your last opportunities to buy the dip, so to speak. Now, moving over to AI tokens, we've been talking about this since last night, the merger between Ocean, Ajax, and Fetch AI. I am glad that I only sold my futures trades, or at least a couple of my futures trades here, because the spot tokens, if you actually own the tokens, it's going to be taken care of by the exchanges. However, if you guys have tokens that are in hard wallets or cold wallets, you're probably going to have to move those over to the exchanges to protect yourself, to make sure that everything is still going to be covered by the exchanges. Because all I heard was the exchanges are going to take care of it. The exchanges are going to take care of it. Well, if your tokens aren't on an exchange, then I don't know how they're going to do that, okay? So that's just one thing right there. Overall, this makes me very, very excited to see what happens. It looks like all of my tokens are going to be merging into one. So I'm not going to have Ocean tokens anymore. I'm not going to have Fetch AI, and I'm not going to have Ajax. All of it's going to be wrapped into one token, and I'm going to be buying that like crazy. And then once it's back on the market, I will open up a lot of new futures trades based off of that for those longer term holds here. Depending on when this happens, though, it's going to adjust how much I buy into, because if we're peak marketing when this eventually happens, I might not be buying into it as much. I might have to wait for the whole bear market cycle to continue, and that's going to be a whole problem within itself. But that's for another day. Now, other AI tokens, like RNDR, RLC, PHA, I'm still loading into those things heavily, and I enjoy it. But those things I'm not touching at all. Futures or just spot trades, no changes whatsoever. And then finally here, when it comes to the meme tokens, Dogecoin's breaking out to a new cycle high. We talked about it yesterday, but it actually pumped up again since then, and I'm loving it. So a lot of my smaller market cap tokens are doing very, very well as Dogecoin. Shiba Inu is still lagging a little bit, but I still think it has a lot of potential to have a very strong move here pretty soon. And when that happens, I'll be very, very happy to take some profits off it, because I do have a small position right now. Not massive, because Dogecoin's been pretty much the place to be right now. But regardless, it still seems like it's a good play out there as well. Other meme tokens like Milady token, or you can even think of, what are the other ones that we've been talking about here? Book of Meme. Book of Meme's kind of a dark horse now because it hasn't been doing squat diddly. I'm probably going to be adding more to that one, waiting for the next pop and just selling it to make a quick buck here. But the other ones out there like Whiff token, etc., I'm still dollar cost averaging into those. And later on when I go live around 6 o'clock tonight, I will be doing another Thursday night dollar cost average event where we're going to be doubling down on a few different tokens. And I even have a little bit more money right now because I've already sold off the Fetch AI, the Ocean, and the Ajax trades. So now I have to put that money somewhere else, which at this point will probably go into more AI tokens and then mix it up with a little bit of meme tokens. I'm going to be not investing as heavily in Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana over the next few weeks. I really want to go into those meme tokens. I really want to go into those more volatile tokens and see where they're going to be bringing us over the next few weeks, if not months. Okay, so see you guys later on tonight, and thank you guys so much for watching.